So at first I wanted this week's video to be entirely a hiking video. But as life has been trying to teach me for a long time now, we don't always do what we want to. And the universe, well, mostly my schedule and the weather, kind of worked against me on this project. I so badly wanted this hike to be peaceful and relaxing. But I just couldn't let go of the stress that has been glued to my chest for the past weeks. I tried reaching a high plateau where lie two lakes, but I had to turn around literally a few hundred meters before reaching it, as I was afraid I wouldn't make it on time for the work meeting that I had. And believe me, for the stubborn head that I am, this is very, very frustrating. But be prepared, because I'll surely manage my project better next time and will bombard you with more beauty of these incredible mountains. I ended up running my way down to the car and finishing my day exhausted. So this week's video is not the story of this wonderful hike. It'll just be about the simplest life that I try to create for myself in the Norwegian spring.
What time is it?
What time is it? It's 20 to 1 in the morning.
And so it means that the sun is rising again.
Yeah, that's right.
Not dark at all. Not anymore.
Line up, retour.
It is a sad day. It is a sad day.
It is going away for long.
Yes. And here I was, alone for 1 month.
I feel exhausted these days. I really struggled to sleep for the past nights because we don't really have pitch black night anymore. Yeah, it's more of a dawn light. And so we do have like really strong curtains in the room, in the bedroom, but it's just not enough. Definitely not enough. And yeah, I don't know, I feel, I've lacked a bit of motivation during the past week and lack of inspiration, and I guess it just, I don't know, just had a toll on my energy and on my ability to sleep. My mind isn't really resting these days. Like, not at all. But hopefully we still have this wonderful spot here.
In this ever-changing life, it's crazy to see how quickly the landscapes change around us. In only a few weeks, we said goodbye to the snow, to the ice, to the night, and had to embrace the 24-hour daylight and the greenery all around. After 7 months of living in a pristine white world, it felt like these changes happened overnight. Well, even if we had a small revenge of winter at the end of May. I think that I've been overly optimistic with my with my outing this morning. We got caught by the rain, but it was sunny though when I got out. Yeah, this is what I look like. But at least I can see that it's gonna get the greeneries
pushing the greeneries to go out, so that's gonna be beautiful.
The 30th of May was a very special day. It was the day my grandmother celebrated her 90th birthday. I can't even believe it. I can't even imagine myself living such a long and full life. But the 30th of May also marked the 7th anniversary of my grandfather's death, which somehow feels as unreal as my grandmother turning 90. Living in Switzerland, I used to write him a letter that I would lay on his grave every year on this day. I haven't done it for the past 2 years, and I felt like reconnecting with that. I miss talking to him. I miss him so much. My grandfather played such a decisive role in developing my love and connection to nature. I realize now that he too found true solace in nature. I could see it in how peaceful he was when we sat for hours observing wildlife in the Swiss countryside, when we took walks in the forest, or when we would pick wild berries. The beauty of it is that I know now that he's always with me in these mountains. I feel him in the trees, in every breath of nature, in the softness of the sun, in the singing of the birds, in the flow. While every year this day is an excuse to collapse in sadness, I also embrace the infinite gratitude I feel for having had him by my side for all these years, and for every single moment spent in his love and tenderness. And it's also the day I try to let go. The pain never goes away. It changes though, leaving more room for eternal love and gratitude. Thank you so much for being here with me in this simple video. I hope you take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.